Hi all, my name is Sri Devi and I'm solving the exercise from exponents. This is 5B from Selena Conscience Mathematics book and this is for class 7. I had actually previously solved question 1 to 3 in my previous video, and as I always mention, in case if you have any doubts or question, please go ahead and comment it on my comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out solve the issues. Let's quickly move on to question number 4. Simplify and express the solution in the positive exponent form. What is the question? Minus 3 the whole cube into 2 to the power of 6 divided by 6 into 2 to the power of 3. So this becomes minus 3 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 into 3 into 2 to the power of 3. So minus 3 and 3 gets cancelled. It becomes minus 1 into minus 3 the whole square into 2 to the power of 6 minus 4. So minus outside 3 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 2. So because we need to leave it in the exponents form, we will leave the answers in the exponent form. So this becomes minus 3 square 2 to the power of 2. So this is the first question. Easy. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand how I've done the calculation, and I'm sure you will be able to get it. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. The question number 2 says that 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 4 into 4 cube into 5 square. So this becomes 2 to the power of 15 into 5 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2 the whole cube into 5 square. So what happens? 2 to the power of 15 to the power of 5 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 6 into 5 square. So now again using the product law, it becomes 2 to the power of 15 minus 6 into 5 to the power of 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 to the power of 9 into 5 square. So the answer is 2 to the power of 9 into 5 square. I am just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand how I have done the calculation. Hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the third sum, which says 36 into minus 6 the whole square into 3 to the power of 6 divided by 12 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 5. Alright, so what happens here? It becomes 4 into 9, that is 36 into minus 6 the whole square into 3 to the power of 6 divided by, I take 12 as 2 into 2 into 3 to the power of 3. The whole power 3 into 3 to the power of 5. So it becomes 2 square into 3 square into minus 6 the whole square into 3 to the power of 6 and the denominator becomes 2 square into 3 the whole cube into 3 to the power of 5. So on simplifying, you get 2 square into minus 6 to the power of 2 into 3 into 6 plus 2, 3 to the power of 6 plus 2 into 2 to the power of 6 into 3 cube into 3 to the power of 5. What happens here? When you solve, it becomes 2 square into minus 6 the whole square into 3 to the power of 8. That becomes divided by 2 to the power of 6 into 3 to the power of 8. So 3 to the power of 8 and 3 to the power of 8 gets cancelled. So it becomes 2 square into minus 6 the whole square divided by 2 to the power of 6, which becomes minus 3 into 2 the whole square divided by 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 6 minus 2. So this becomes minus 3 the whole square into 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of 4. So since 4 is greater, I get the 2 from the numerator and minus it here using the quotient law. It becomes 3 square by 2 to the power of 4 minus 2. That becomes 3 square by 2 square. That is nothing but 3 by 2 the whole square. I am just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand the calculations that I have done. Now the fourth sum, very simple, minus 128 divided by 2187. Minus 128, I have used different colors, kiddos. So 2 you will have to divide this by 7 times. So 128 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 multiplied 7 times. And 3 is, again I have used different colors and you will understand what calculation I have done. So this becomes again 7 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 3 multiplied 7 times, that is equal to 3 to the power of 7. Therefore minus 128 by 2187 is equal to minus 2 to the power of 7 by 3 to the power of 7. I am just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand the calculation. Pretty simple and easy. on to the fifth sum, a to the power of minus 7 into b to the power of minus 7 into c to the power of 5 into d to the power of 4 divided by a cube into b to the power of minus 5 into c to the power of minus 3 into d to the power of 8. Pretty simple, guys. It's just the quotient law and we get the answer easily. So it becomes c to the power of 5 minus 3 and divided by a cube minus of minus 7 into b to the power of minus 5 minus of minus 7 into d to the power of 8 minus 4. So this becomes c to the power of 5 plus 3 divided by a cube plus 7, b to the power of minus 5 plus 7, d to the power of 4. So the answer becomes c to the power of 8 divided by a to the power of 10, b squared, d to the power of 4. Just pausing for some time so that you understand. Sixth one, very simple. A cube, b to the power of minus 5, the whole to the power of minus 2. I just use the power law. A to the power of 3 into minus 2 into b to the power of minus 5 into minus 2. So a to the power of minus 6, b to the power of 10. Since they have asked you to keep it in positive index, I get a to the denominator. It becomes b to the power of 10 divided by a to the power of 6. So please understand this. Pretty easy. Alright, let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5 is evaluate 6 to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 2. So I have just written 6 to the power of minus 2 by 4 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 2. That is equal to 2 into 3 to the power of minus 2. That is divided by 2 to the power of 2 into the whole to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 2. I'll just pause in, guys. I don't think so I'll be talking here because it's more of simplification that you have to do. So 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 2 divided by 2 to the power of minus 4 into 3 to the power of minus 2. 3 to the power of minus 2, 3 to the power of minus 2 gets cancelled. So we remain with 2 to the power of minus 2 divided by 2 to the power of minus 4. So it becomes 2 to the power of minus 2 minus of minus 4. So it becomes 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 4. That is 2 square. That's equal to 4. So I just pause in for a few seconds for you to understand. So next one, 5 to the power of 5 by 6 the whole square into 9 by 4 divided by minus 3 by 2 the whole square into 125 by 216. So I'm just pausing, I'm not telling because just see the sum that I've done and you should be able to understand. The final answer comes to 1 by 5, that is 4 by 6 by 5. I'm just pausing in so that you can see because me talking will confuse you further because of the numbers. So this sum I think I'll just pause. In case you have any doubts, just let me know. I will solve the same thing in the comment section if needed. But I've solved everything stepwise, so I don't think so there will be any issues. Next one is pretty simple. 5 cube into 3 square plus 17 to the power of 0 into 7 cube. 5 cube is 25 into 5 into 9 plus 1. 17 to the power of 0 is 1 into 7 into 7 into 7. So it becomes 125 into 9 plus 1 into 343. 125 into 9 is 1125 plus 343, that is 1468. Therefore the answer is 1468. So I'm just pausing in for some time for you to see the calculation. Isn't it simple? Yes, it is pretty simple. Let's move on to the next one, the fourth one. 2 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power 15 to the power of 0 plus minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power 2 by 7 to the power of minus 2. So it becomes 32 2 to the power of 5 into 1 plus minus 27 minus of, I have done 7 by 2 because it's minus 2. So I make 7 by 2 to the power of 2. So 32 plus minus 27 minus 49 by 4. So you get 32 minus 27, that is 5 minus 49 by 4. So the LCM is 4. You get 20 minus 49 by 4, that is minus 29 by 4. So once you simplify it into mixed fraction, you get minus 7 1 by 4. Pretty simple. Okay, 2 to the power 2 squared to the whole power 0 plus 2 to the power of minus 4 divided by 2 to the power of minus 6 plus 1 by 2 to the power of minus 3. This becomes 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 4 divided by minus 2 to the power of minus 6 plus 2 to the power of 3. So this is nothing but 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 4 minus of minus 6 plus 2 to the power of 3. So this becomes 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 4 plus 6 plus 2 to the power of 3. That is equal to 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube. That is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 8. So the answer is 13. I am just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand what I have done. Okay, the last one in question number 5. 5 to the power of n into 25 n minus 1 divided by 5 to the power of n into 25 n minus 1. So it becomes 5 to the power of n into 25 n minus 1 divided by 5 to the power of n minus 1 into 25 n minus 1. 25 n minus 1, 25 n minus 1 gets cancelled. So we remain with 5 to the power of n by 5 to the power of n minus 1. Using the quotient law, it becomes 5 n minus n plus 1, that is equal to 5 to the power of 1, that is equal to 5. Pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. So question 6 is, if m is equal to minus 2, n is equal to 2, find the value of m square plus n square minus 2mn. M square plus n square minus 2mn is nothing but m minus n the whole square. So m is minus 2, n is 2, so minus 2 the whole square. It becomes minus 4 the whole square. So minus 4 into minus 4 becomes 16. Very simple, guys. You have to just substitute the value of m and n. To m to the power of n plus n to the power of m is equal to minus 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of minus 2. This becomes 4 plus 1 by 2 square. This becomes 4 plus 1 by 4. LCM is 4. So 16 plus 1 by 4. 17 by 4. That is equal to 4 1 by 4 as a mixed fraction. Next one, 6m to the power of minus 3 plus 4n to the power of n square. Here you have to just substitute for m and n. 6 into minus 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 4 into 2 to the power of 2. So 6 by minus 2 to the power of 3. Okay, because it's minus sign, plus 4 into 4, that's equal to 6 by minus 8 plus 16. So that becomes minus 3 by 4 plus 16. The LCM is 4. So you get minus 3 plus 64 by 4. You get 61 by 4. That is equal to 15 1 by 4. Next one, 2n cube minus 3m. That's equal to 2 to the power, 2 into 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 8 minus 3 into minus 2. You get 16 plus 6. The answer is 22. Alright. I have not spoken much in this video, so please follow my video carefully. I have done a step-by-step, I've solved the sum step-by-step, and that should help you. So let's meet in the next video for class 7. So until I meet you, take care. Goodbye.